Hey guys, Bangy here and welcome to another tech tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to address the notorious 0.19 GHz thermal throttling on your Surface Book 3 laptops. So this issue is caused by Turbo Boost, which is enabled by default on Surface Book computers to make the computer faster during intensive workloads. But if you live anywhere that gets hot or you just use your computer a lot, then this is going to become an issue because your computer will start thermal throttling. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable that from the command prompt. I am on Windows 11, but the procedure should be pretty similar in Windows 10 as well. So you firstly want to go to Windows, go to the Start menu, then you want to type in CMD, right-click on command prompt, run as administrator, and you're gonna want to check what your power mode is first by copy and pasting this command or typing it in. I will put these commands in the description box down below for you guys to use. So once you've copied that in, you will get a lot of text, and this text here will show you which mode you're on, especially the last three letters, last three numbers. It is a hexadecimal, but it practically means 000, 001, or 002, and so on. As you can see here, I've already got my Turbo Boost disabled, which solved my problem. If you want to enable Turbo Boost, you can run this command here and set that to 2. And then you can save that by running this command, which I'll also put in the description box down below. And as you can see, the speed quickly goes to 3 and my computer might overheat because I'm running OBS. But I'm going to revert that now to 0, so my computer will stop overheating. And save it. As you guys can see, the speed is back down to 1.5 or below gigahertz. And you're going to want to repeat that with your DC as well. So this means your computer's Turbo Boost will be turned off when your battery charger is unplugged. And this means that your Turbo Boost will turn off when your battery charger is plugged in. So I just disable these two because my computer usually overheats when it's plugged in. And just to add insult to injury, these computers only have passive cooling, which means that the back part that clips onto your keyboard does not have a fan built in, so it relies on airflow going into the computer. So this really is the only solution, unless you want to install a heatsink or a fan onto the back of your Surface Book computer, which does not make it look good at all. But if you do need that Turbo Boost, then you can re-enable that by running this command with a 2 or a 1 instead of a 0. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I've solved your problem in this video, and I'll see you next time in my videos. Bye guys.